Look, I don't need to tell you why you want your life to be better. You know why you want your life to be better. Now, I know that you don't want to settle for what you're living right now. I know you want to achieve more. I know you want to be living in a better place. You want to strive for more. Listen, purpose and aiming for something better than what you have now doesn't mean that you're ungrateful for what you've got. It just means that you've got a goal to be better. And I think that's so important. It doesn't matter your background. It doesn't matter your experience, where you're from, who you are now. Here are 5 ways that you can make your life significantly better. Number 1, get to the gym. You don't have to become a bodybuilder. You don't have to aim to have 3% body fat. Just start exercising. It doesn't even have to be the gym. You could just get out on a walk. You could just start home workouts. But doing that exercise is really going to help you feel physically and mentally better. I mean, you already know that you should be exercising regularly. You already know that you should be eating well. And it's really going to help you build a better, longer, more fulfilled life. How are you going to feel when you can live past 90, past 100 years old? How are you going to feel when you've got your grandkids and you don't feel tired playing with them? Look, if you've been struggling, particularly with mental health, the gym is so good for this. I personally find the gym to be like one of my types of therapy. It really helps me get back into the swing of things, back into a mentally healthy state. Second one is reading. Now, you don't have to read self-development books like me. You don't have to read really long, complex books. But I just think that I am sweating so much. Reading is so good for personal development, just in general. Now, for me, I got a Kindle when I was here in Thailand, and it's so good. It's amazing. It's just all your books on one tablet. It's brilliant. But look, if you don't want to pay £90, then just buy books. Like, I've got a whole shelf, like bookshelf, that's what they're called. Bookshelf at home full of like my favourite books. I just highly recommend reading, and most importantly, dedicating time to read, because if you don't dedicate time to it, then you'll just forget about it. Now, the third way to make your life significantly better, and I've found this so powerful, especially since moving to Thailand, and in the past couple of weeks just finding some new friends, and this is building the right community for you. Now, these are making friends with the right people for what you want out of life. If you want to grow as a person, you need to surround yourself with people with that same mindset. Now, you might not want to hear this, but these people aren't the people from your hometown. They're not the people you went to school with. They're not the people that you've known nearly all your life. And the reason for this, and again, you're not going to want to hear this, but it's true. The people from your hometown, the people from your school, whenever you're spending time with them, they will always see the old version of you. They will never see this new and improved version of you. Therefore, they will always restrict your growth, because they will always treat you like the old version of you. And in some cases, people will hold on to the old version of you that they had most power over. This is very manipulative, but it's what some people do. So you just need to cut those people out of your lives if you are wanting to grow. Right, so the fourth way to make your life better is to really visualize what better means to you. What do you want your life to look like? Who do you want to become? What do you want people to say about you when you walk out of a room? What do you want to look like? Where do you want to live? What will you do? What will your day-to-day look like? What will your values be? What will your conversations be? What will you be thinking? All of this, really, if you get as much detail into this as possible, then your subconscious learns this and you will start to become that person. Read Psycho-Cybernetics if you haven't already. It's the best for this. Now, I've actually got a goal system on my laptop that I will create a video about, talking you through my whole system for writing my goals, how I achieve my goals. And these cover areas like throughout my whole life: lifestyle, business, health, finances, family, community. All of this is covered in my goals. Finally, number 5 on how to make your life better. Look, people are going to judge you for whatever you do, whether you put yourself out there or whether you don't. So you may as well put yourself out there. And number 5 is to build your personal brand. Now, this is going to help with your career, with your business. If you want to become an influencer, this is going to help in so many ways. And your personal brand is the absolute foundation for all of this. All of these opportunities that you see, these influencers, these YouTubers, they all started with building their personal brand. Now, again, I will make a video on this later after I stop sweating. But yeah, build that personal brand. Do a bit of research into it. Again, like I say, I'll make a video on it. But yeah, that is an excellent place to start. And I'm going to have to finish this video because I need to turn the fan on. But I hope these 5 tips have been beneficial to you. Please let me know in the comments if they have or if I missed anything. And I hope you have a fantastic day, and please take action on these tips because you will really see success. I promise you that.